The earth. Now I will ask question to you that do you know in which planet we live on? Yes, earth. We live on earth, which is the third planet from the sun. The earth shows two types of movement. Number one is revolution and the second is rotation. Repeat with me. How many types of movements? The one is revolution and the second is rotation. The earth moves around the sun. Look at this picture. In the center we have a sun and there we have a earth. You can see that the earth revolves around the sun like this. Okay, for example, this is the sun and this is the earth. The earth moves around the sun like this, and this movement is called revolution. And the earth takes 1 year to go around the sun. पूरा 1 साल लेता है revolve करने में around the sun के. This gives us season during the year. How many seasons we have? 4. Summer, winter, autumn and spring. So the new topic is rotation. The earth moves around its own axis like this. And this movement is called rotation. And it takes 1 complete day, means 24 hours. How many hours in 1 day? Yes, 24 hours it takes for 1 complete rotation. And this gives us day and night. As you can see on this picture, this is the rotation of the earth. That earth rotates its own imaginary lines around which the earth rotates. Okay, and this is the picture of revolution of the earth. That sun is in the center and the earth revolves around the sun like this. For rotation it takes 24 hours and for revolution it takes 365 days, which means it takes 1 year to go around the sun. Rotation causes day and night and revolution causes season, which is spring, summer, autumn and winter. So the next topic is the moon. Most of the planet also have moons circling around them. बहुत से planet ऐसे हैं जिसके around में moon जो है वो circle करता है. Our planet Earth has only one moon. हमारे planet Earth के पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक moon है. The moon revolves around the Earth. Look at this picture. This is the earth and this is the moon. And this moon revolves around the sun like this. In the revolution, the earth revolves around the sun, same as the moon revolves around the earth like this. And it takes 29 days to make 1 full revolution around the earth. Okay, this period is called a lunar or Islamic month. The moon has no lights of its own. As we have seen the moon in the night time, you can see that moon has a very beautiful white colored light. but the moon doesn't have its own light. आपको जो लाइट मून की नजर आती है, it just reflects the light of the sun, and there is no water or no air on the moon. It means there is no life in the moon.